Don't forget, September 1st and 2nd in Huntsville, Alabama, the new FedEx Service Provider Intensive. This is where you're going to be able to meet and get answers from contractors that are already in the space. And this is for folks, we know that some of you on here right now are looking to get into the FedEx space. We also know that people will watch this later and that you're looking to get in there and you want to ask current contractors lots of questions. So you can come to Huntsville 1st of September and get those questions answered. You also are going to hear what veteran contractors wish they'd known on day one. They'll tell you that too. You're going to get answers you can't get on Google. So people look for all kinds of stuff and they Google things and they get all these guys' websites and everybody's got a broker, everybody's got all kinds of advice and stuff. Well, this is a little different way of doing it where you can talk to the folks that actually are doing it. You want to build relationships with those of us who understand this business. And those of you, a lot of you watch a lot of our videos. We know a little bit about what's going on here. Anyways, get an honest picture of what the first year looks like and leave with a peer group, not just notes. And then there's a whole bunch of different topics we're going to go through for new folks looking to get into the space or folks that just got in. And then now you sit there and go, wait a minute, what did I get into? We get those calls all the time. So you just put that on your calendar for September 1st and 2nd. It would be great for you, and we welcome you to attend that session.